If you have followed Apple for a long time, you know Tim Cook is a money genius. When it started in 2011, Apple was worth $350 billion. Today, Apple is worth $4 trillion. That is a lot of zeros. But lately, as someone who opens phones every day and make tech videos, I felt the new iPhones are getting a bit boring. It feels like they change one small thing every year and they call it new. Now, Tim Cook is stepping down and the guy taking over changes everything. Let me explain it simply so you know exactly how this affects the next iPhone you buy. The new boss is named John Ternus. This is a big deal because of how he thinks. Tim Cook was a business and money man. John Ternus is a hardware engineer. He has been with Apple for the past 25 years and he's the guy who helped make the new Mac computer so fast and powerful again. He doesn't just look at the bank accounts, he understands how the glass, the screen, the chip and everything work together. Even Tim Cook called him a visionary. But there is a second part of this story that most people are missing. Another man named Johny Srouji is moving up to take the position as a chief hardware officer. In my repair shop, I open phones every day and I see the tiny part inside. Johny Srouji is the person who designed the brain of the phone, what we call the chip. So think about it like this. The two people leading Apple are now hardware engineers. For a long time, Apple was focused on selling apps and monthly subscription like iCloud, Apple TV and the likes. But putting two engineers in charge, Apple is signaling that they are focusing on making amazing physical products again. And the timing is just perfect. This change is happening right before we get the iPhone 18 and the iPhone 18 Pro Maxes and the rumored iPhone Fold. Tim Cook is still staying around to make sure the money side stays safe. But the actual phones are now in the hands of engineers. So now, what does this mean for you? It means we should now be expecting iPhones that are much more powerful, and we might finally be seeing an iPhone Fold that actually works well. And as a guy who fixes phones, I'm hoping these engineers being put in place are going to make the iPhones easier to work on. The John era is finally starting. Apple is becoming a product company again, and I think we are about to see some of the coolest gadgets we have seen in over 10 years. So what do you think? Are you ready for a complete new change iPhone, or you think the iPhone should still stay the same? And what are your thoughts on the rumored iPhone Fold? Let me know in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, informative in any way or form, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you're in Ghana and you want to swap, buy or fix your phone, check mrmorphys.com. And you can also check Mr. Morphys, the phone shop, on all social media platforms. I will leave the link down in the description. Thank you for watching. Make sure you follow or subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. What's your say?